DK1 Victor Kilo 59.
59, thank you.
Thank you, QZ.
Hello, welcome back to GT Retro World. Well, today we're going to test the radio that was sent over from the guys from Banggood. But before we have a look at this radio, I thought I would take this opportunity to thank every last one of my subscribers, because I finally made 3,000, and it's actually been 3 years to be almost to the day, well, to the week should I say. So anyway, back to the video. Okay, let's have a little look what's included with this radio. So first off, we have the usual USB-A to USB-C cable, which is a nice thick one for a change. So that's that. We have a telescopic antenna, which is SMA male, and that's a roundabout. Let's have a little look. Ooh, about a metre long, that's quite big. Ideal probably for like commercial radio, FM and whatnot. We have a little remote control here, guys, and we have an on and off button, mute, Bluetooth button, up and down frequency, okay, obviously for your menus, no doubt, volume up and down, and auto, which is saying automatic retraction of the platform up or down, wherever that means. So we'll have a look at that a bit later. Onto the radio. Now, if you remember rightly, guys, last year, I think it was last year, I reviewed ATAS-20 Plus, and you can see, guys, these are almost based on a similar type of chipset, but look at the difference in size. Wow. Yeah, so there you go, that's that little thing. So we'll put that out the way. So onto the radio anyway. So it's based on the SI4732, and it is SSB a radio. Oh, that's what it's saying anyway. And you can see it's got a nice fascia on this. I thought this was actually aluminium. It's not, it's plastic. It's just got an alloy look, but it does look nice all the same. You know, it's built well. It seems all right, that's for sure. So we'll have a look around it anyway. So that's the front panel there, guys. It's the side there. We've got warranty void if removed sticker on here. You can see that's the top. High sensitivity stereo radio, BTXT. Yeah, obviously infrared remote control, DAT, data, PA, strange, MNU, lib, no idea, Wi-Fi, I don't know what Wi-Fi like. I thought that was the more Bluetooth on the back, but anyway, we'll go through that in a minute. CLK, obviously clock, infrared remote control. Alright, now we've got the list of frequencies here, so we have, let's have a little look. We've got FM, 64 megahertz to 108 megahertz, that's your commercial. Long wave, 153 kilohertz to 500 kilohertz. Short wave, we've got 1.73 megahertz to 30 megahertz. And also on SSB, we've got 1.73 megahertz to 30 megahertz. So it's just basically modes, isn't it, that? I mentioned medium wave there, 520 kilohertz to 1710 kilohertz. Yeah, okay. It's got RDS on it as well, which is quite neat. It's a 2.8 inch TFT colour display, and this is touch as well, so which is quite neat. Anyway, guys, that's a look around there. Around the rear, we have two little speakers. Apparently this is stereo, it's claiming. We have the USB-C charging port, also a data port as well for updating firmware, etc. We've got a Wi-Fi antenna. Right, before I forget that, let me just have a look here a minute. I nearly forgot all about this. It comes with this as well, this little antenna here, guys. It's not Wi-Fi, I don't think, is it? I think it's Bluetooth more than anything. We'll put it in anywhere it's in. It's also listing the frequencies, which is a bit clearer on the eye and rather than that gold. So we've got two speakers, like I say there, guys. Wi-Fi antenna for your FM AM. Obviously, this is for shortwave as well. Power on and off. This is like a master power on and off. So if that's off there, you can't turn it on from the front. So we put that power on. I've also got some RCAs out here, stereo left and right, which is quite neat. Also got a headphone out here, right and left, obviously. And as I said, this is a stereo receiver. Oh, that is what it's claiming anyway. Right, a couple of little feet on the bottom of there as well. Like I say, it feels well built, this one. I must admit, it feels nice. Yeah, right, okay. Let's power it on. So, as I say, you've got to flick that power button on the back to on. Then you hold that in and it should power up, and there you go. It's giving you the Arduino version 5.2 here. Right, okay, let's have a little look around this. So, as you can see, this is a touch display, and most of it is touch. I think it's supposed to come with a touch pen, but there was not one in my box anyway, to be honest. And also, there wasn't a manual. Now the manual is actually on their site, so that's pretty clear. I mean, I'll show you the manual I downloaded and I just printed it off myself, to be honest. So we've got this here, okay. So like I say, it only takes a second to print out if you've got a print. If not, you can just download it and keep it in your laptop or your pad or whatever you've got. So what we'll do first, we'll just try and get one of my local stations just to see if we can get any joy out of it.
They do. You can't get
wow.
Absolutely not. Anyway, Andrew, yes, you've got it spot on. Well done to you, mate.
That sounds really nice.
You, mate, absolutely doing a cracking job there. Gasser, I keep getting the grind.
I'll just put another microphone on here.
Any advice? Anyway, I've got the rights as Billy and Sheila in Fishburgers. Yes, you have. Well done to you. I think Yarm School opening this year, says Pauline, getting it right. John, yep, you've got it right. Dovey, yep, you've got it right. Scott,
yeah, that sounds good. I like that. Very nice indeed.
1978. It was 1978.
It's tuning like a normal analog receiver, which is nice.
That's not what the Trump administration is doing. But the focus on unilateralism and the gathering of American military power, those are not new.
Right, we're going to go through a few of the functions. It's a mute. This is back to your volume. Mute you. It's your volume up and down. You can see there, guys. You can also use it volume by just holding that encoder in. It's your AGC on and off. Attenuation. Here we have mode. Upper sideband. Frequency. We can input a frequency directly from here. So if we want to go, I don't know, 14 decimal 200. Okay, that. And there we go. Okay. Here we have the bands. As you can see them, guys, there's CB, shortwave, FM, long wave, medium wave, and 120 meters to 11 meters. You can see there, guys, it's pretty straightforward. We'll hit on 11 meters, for instance. It starts at 25,800. Okay. Here we have ham. Again, it's very similar, but this is where it gets a bit strange. We've got bacon here, look. So we've got 60 through to 10 on the ham bands and bacon. I thought it was something to do with beacons, but I don't know. It takes us straight to long wave. Very strange. Anyway, so ham and bacon's 2 meters, isn't it? I don't know. Same meats as well. Ham and bacon. Comes off the pork pig. Go back to 20 meters. So your BFO, there you go, guys. We can fine tune, which is neat, and it works quite well. Steps, your bandwidth. As you can see, you go 0.5, 1, 1.2, 2.2, 3, and 4 wide. And I think 3 seems to be quite nice to filter in on for SSB on this little radio. Just about right, I'd say. You might get away with 2.2, but 3, to my ease anyway. Okay, guys. So we'll click on next. This is your up and down. So up and down your frequency. Okay. That's the scan button, and it just keeps going and going, to be honest. You can pause it, or you can alter the scale. Okay. Times 4. Times 2, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 1 to 8, and 8. So I don't know whether it's useful or not really. So that's your scale. You can pause it obviously there, and that'll keep you where you want to be. And you can actually click with you. I mean, to be honest, let me see if I can find something first. There's not really many peaks there, is there, to be honest. Oh, it's waiting a little bit. Obviously it's not real time. Can't expect that, can we, from like just under £50. Anyway, that's your waterfall of such anyway. It's a bit strange, but yeah, I'm still getting used to that. And that's scanning from 1498 to 14417, so it's quite wide there, isn't it? So I'll just pause that there. I'm going to hit. Ah, well, okay. So click the back button. This is your chip data, basically, and firmware information. There, guys. Whether that interests you, I don't know. Tap the screen again, back we go. Light, this is your backlight, okay, on your display. And again, it's not a bad display on this. Full up, I like it anyway. I like the colour and the brightness from my daft eyes. Info, that's telling me it's Arduino, we're on AM, even though we're not. Frequency 14357. Well, we are on AM, I suppose, aren't we? Sideband, same thing, within reason. Showing your RSSI there, 32 dB. Volume 30. Yeah, GC's off. BF4's off, even though it's on. There you go. Anyway, it's showing a bit of data there. Some of it's a bit meaningless, but it's there anyway, all the same. Tap the screen again, back we go. That's your FM. Takes us back to FM. Yeah, that's RDS. I presume. Retro. Just like an analog slider.
Mommy said you are police? Yeah, that's right.
That's neat, isn't it? That display.
I had to bring the sun, figuratively. Thank you for lending me yours.
No problem.
Any news of Rosemith?
Not yet, no. We're waiting
Turn it down a bit. Memo, that's for storing frequencies, okay. I have no idea how many's in there, let's have a little look. Oh. I wasn't expecting that. So we have 75 memory banks, memory channels, or whatever you want to call them. That's neat. Okay. And obviously you can edit there, add it and delete. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Right, the last but not least, we've got setup, and in here, this is basically like a basic setup. So we've got FM start at 64 megahertz, Seek AM 1 kilohertz, that's off. RDS only FM button, that's on. Digit backlight, that's on. Screensaver, that's on, as you can see in the background there, guys. Display light off. Obviously that's no good, is it? I want a light on. Obviously you can turn that down if it's too bright overnight. Save time, vertical screen, no idea what that means. Minimum scale times 8, maximum scale times 1.8. That's for your waterfall. You've got auto scale, scan accuracy, no idea what that means. Battery short, switched it on actually when I first got this radio, it wasn't switched on. Beeper on, that's on, but why? I don't know, because it's not even beeping. Okay. Bright display power. Load default memo and reset to factory. Okay, we'll exit that. I'll just show you this here. This wasn't actually here. It was actually, it's the blank grey area, and it's showing there the battery's 100%. I charged it this morning. Oh, by the way, while it's charging, that'll be red. When it's charged, it turns to green, like it is now, because it's like running off DC off its little battery. Okay. And the battery is a 3.7 volt, 4000 milliamp hour battery. So yeah, it's a fairly decent sized little battery. So that concludes everything that it does, I suppose. Infrared receiver there, you can see. We've got Bluetooth here. That's BT on and off. And your power on and off. I forgot to mention, if you just touch the battery meter, it's showing 100% charged, and you've also got voltage and what's left in the battery. Okay, so 100%, and that's voltage. Okay, guys.
Gracias. Era 3, ¿qué va a hacer? Kilo 1, Victor Kilo. Zero Papa 2, Mike 0, 59. Thank you, 73. Kilo 1, Victor Kilo. Please hold Victor 7. Victor 7 again. No copy, Kyoto. Kilo 1, Victor Kilo, Victor Kilo. Whiskey Alpha. CK20, Delta Alpha Zero, Whiskey Alpha. Delta Lima 1 Kilo Mike Delta. Delta Lima 1 Kilo Mike Delta, Whiskey Uniform. Mike Quebec, 5-9. United Whiskey 101, Bravo, Whiskey Uniform, United Whiskey 8. Victor Kilo. Sugar Papa 9 X-ray Charlie 5-9. Thank you, Echo Alpha. Echo Alpha 1 Charlie Mexico 59. Thank you, Radio Whiskey Florida.
I'm just getting used to it.
30 Charlie Papa Golf 59. Thank you, Radio Whiskey Florida.
Just use that BFO there to get it tuned in, just bang on.
Bye-bye, Radio Whiskey Florida.
It works really well, that BFO, like.
Golf 5 Golf Victor Juliet 59.
Injecting power and signaling Arctic competition, not legally, or this is not legally possible or politically a viable policy as far as the United States.
Have you seen a minor celebrity in Brentwood and Ongar? 85050 on the text, 08085 99693 on the WhatsApps.
Start your message with me. Of course, you'll find me on X at BBC Tees.
That's definitely steady,
out the blocks as well this afternoon. It's only Mark the trucker. Afternoon, Scotty Boy says Mark.
That sounds really nice
at the minute, and we've got queue and traffic at Thinford.
I haven't. I've got some good news. Some massive news, but I'm really nervous about telling you, and I don't even know if you'll think it's good or not.
Tell me.
I'm pregnant.
Oh dear.
Oh.
Oh.
No.
No.
Seriously?
Yes. I'm not going to joke about something like that, am I?
He's not happy, is he?
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
But is it good news or not?
It's not good news. It's not just good news, Amber. It's fantastic.
Really?
That's fantastic news.
It's amazing. You're amazing. You are.
I'm so relieved that you're happy.
Of course I'm happy. This is the best thing that has ever happened to me. Like, ever.
Well, there we go, guys. First look at the little ATAS-25, and I'm actually quite impressed, to be honest. The SSB audio on that is pretty phenomenal, to be honest. Yeah, I really rate it. It doesn't cover airband, but I'm reading in the specifications that it can be upgraded via, obviously, the firmware to cover the airband. I'm not too sure what that entails, but I'll look into that a bit further, because it looks quite interesting, but it's actually in the manual of sorts. It explains that. I think it can be hacked a little bit more than what I thought, so we'll go a bit further with this thing. I do like it. Like I said, the audio is fantastic. I've not tried the Bluetooth, and I've not tried the RCAs out the back into like a hi-fi or any other audio device, so we'll also try that as well. But currently it's £57. It was under £50 a couple of days ago, but it's around about the £50 mark. But I think for 50 UK pounds or thereabouts, so maybe $50-60, I think it's worth every last penny, guys. You know, there's two versions as well. There's a non-Bluetooth version and the Bluetooth version. I'm not too sure what the different in price, but there won't be much in them, I don't think. But yeah, I think it's a solid thumbs up, that, guys. I really do. I like it. It just sounds good. You know, I mean, it's a different league to that little ATAS-20. What I'll do anyway, guys, I'll leave a couple of discount codes in the description that was sent over from Banggood. You might get a couple of quid off, I'm not too sure. But yeah, solid thumbs up, guys. I'm not just saying that. You've heard it there. It sounds okay. Anyway, guys, hopefully it's been of some use. And thumbs up for the channel wouldn't go amiss. And we'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully it won't be as long next time, because I've been doing my room up, as you can see. I'll do a bit more of an update with that as I get it finished, but I've been on with that for 2 weeks. Catch you later, guys. Bye for now.